Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of today's life events. Today we will be celebrating our fathers. Yes, happy Father's Day to all the wonderful fathers out there. We will be making a car washing basket. We all know how our man loves their cars, and this basket has all the goodies he will need to keep his car smelling clean and fresh. I found this really nice yellow container. I will be using that to place all the products in. This will go well with the theme. Now, I will be using this brown paper to stuff the container. You can use newspaper, old magazines. Now, I'm not going to just place that paper in there. I am covering that paper with craft paper. And of course, we continue with the same color, yellow. Here's a quick tip while you're preparing your basket. Remove all tags, all labels, all stickers, all prices. That will give your basket a more polished look. I am partly placing the microfiber cloth in the container and leaving a little bit of it hanging off of the container. That will make a beautiful design when it's all completed. Watch me as I place all of the items according to how they fit. You can go ahead and place your items how you wish. Remember to use glue dots or the clear tape in order to hold your items in place. Using this Easter grass, this is not the plastic but the paper Easter grass. It is so cute and gives your basket such a polished look. Wow, that extra pop of blue really stands out. Here is a poem by Miss Angeline.
Happy Father's Day. You are an amazing father. You always know what to say, what to do, and how to make me feel special and loved. And so today, a day devoted to you. I am hoping that you are feeling appreciated and loved because you are. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers in the world.
Wow, that was so sweet. Give a shout out to Angeline in the comments and let her know if you liked her poem. I will be using shrink wrap on this basket. This gives our basket a more professional and polished look. Firmly hold your bag in place. Hold it close to the back as possible. Use a piece of pipe cleaner to tie it. Now go ahead and cut off that extra piece of plastic, and now you have a beautiful gather at the top. On both sides of the basket, you will have excess plastic. All you do is use some tape and tape that extra piece way to the back. The heat gun is set to medium or low heat. Now watch all of that excess plastic just disappear, just melt right before your eyes. And voila, there you have it guys, our finished product. Isn't it lovely? It is amazing. All the colors complement each other. I think any dad would love this present. Happy Father's Day once more to all of our loving dads who go out of their way every day to support their family. Don't forget to give your father love and affection on Father's Day. Now, not only on Father's Day, every single day. Every single day, remember to let him know how much you appreciate him, how much he's loved. Congratulations, you have made it to the end of the video, and here is a little bit of bonus pictures, bonus ideas on how to create your own Father's Day gift. They're all less than $10. You can also create a small business with this. Make that money, baby. If you've enjoyed this video and you've enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you in the next video.